In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a still image into a short animated video in Leonardo AI. First, head to the Leonardo AI website in your browser. Once you're in, navigate to the image section. This is where you'll find your existing creations and, if you like, where you can generate something new. You can absolutely start with a fresh image, but for this walkthrough, I'll use one I've already made so we can focus on the video feature itself. Find the image you want to animate in your gallery. Move your mouse over the thumbnail and you'll see extra options appear. Look for the Generate Video option and click it. This opens the video creation panel tied directly to that specific image, so you're animating exactly what you selected. Before generating, take a moment to adjust the duration and the aspect ratio. Duration controls how long your final clip will be. Shorter clips tend to feel tighter and loop more cleanly, while slightly longer ones give the motion more room to develop. Aspect ratio determines the shape of your video. Choose a ratio that fits where you plan to use it: vertical for stories and shorts, square for feeds, or widescreen for standard viewing. A helpful tip is to match the aspect ratio to your original image whenever possible to avoid unwanted cropping. Next, enter a clear motion prompt that describes what should happen in the scene. For example, you could write, "The ball falls down to the ground." Keep your prompt specific and action-oriented. Think in simple, visual verbs like move, drift, ripple, bounce, or swirl. If there's a subject you want emphasized, name it directly. Avoid overly complex multi-action prompts on your first try. Concise directions often produce more coherent motion. When you're satisfied with the duration, aspect ratio, and prompt, click Generate. The system will process your request and animate your still image according to your instructions. This may take a moment depending on complexity and traffic. If the motion looks too fast or too slow, remember that you can return and tweak the duration or refine your prompt for a smoother result. Small wording changes, like gently falls versus quickly drops, can noticeably adjust the feel of the animation. And that's it. You went to Leonardo AI, opened the image section, selected your existing image, hovered to reveal the Generate Video option, set your duration and aspect ratio, added a clear motion prompt, and clicked Generate. You're done and ready to enjoy your animated clip.